Grant's behind your back, buddy. You got anything on you?
No, sir. I got a pocket knife. Yes, sir. Right here.
No. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back right now.
You hurt me.
Stop resisting.
Welcome to U.S. Bad Cops Today. We're highlighting 5 of the worst police officers ever caught on camera. These shocking moments of misconduct will leave you speechless. Like, share, and comment to support our fight for justice. If you like this video, press 1. On November 8, 2017, the Chicago Police Department is accused of forcibly entering over 50 homes during mistaken raids.
Go, go.
Chicago Police 911! Chicago Police 911! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on the fucking ground! Grant's behind your back, buddy. You got anything on you?
No, sir. I got a pocket knife. Yes, sir. Right here.
Gonna lean this way.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear up there?
I'm right here. Right here, man. Right here. I saw a squawk my back. I was wondering what's going on. I'm sorry. I smooched off. I'm sorry. All right, relax. Let me speak. Hey, everything's fine, man. Everything's fine.
And I thought it was for maybe the people up there, the people down here. And when you came like there with the flashlight, I called my husband. I didn't know what the hell was going on.
Second floor, right?
He gave us the wrong fucking apartment. He gave us the wrong apartment. He gave us the wrong apartment. He said up the stairs, and it's the first door right there. He gave us the wrong apartment. Remember the pictures I gave you? I think it's upstairs.
I was gonna come down, but I've never.
He said the first floor. I'm saying upstairs based on the windows in the picture. It's real.
Turn wrong. What's up, dude?
Bad fucking.
Hey, just throw a party for me.
No, it's not. You signed off on it.
Huh?
You signed off on it.
Hey, let's check in again.
Officer Joseph Capello, acting on dubious information, led a raid on an apartment without adequate evidence. Despite having a warrant that required a knock and announce procedure, Capello's team forcibly entered the wrong apartment. Capello was not wearing his assigned body cam, and the team, upon realizing their mistake, continued searching the apartment without correcting their error. They did not present the warrant to the Mendez family, who discovered it themselves. The officers left without addressing the damage they caused. The Mendez family and others sued the Chicago Police Department for the illegal raid. In 2022, the Civilian Office of Police Accountability recommended suspensions for the officers involved due to serious misconduct.
Who lives up there?
I don't know their name. It's a African-American couple that live upstairs. How did this ever happen? Me and my husband have
That's
never
why
been in
you're going
trouble
to get
with
a copy of the
police.
search warrant.
Okay.
I don't understand, like, our door getting kicked in and all this kind of stuff. We've never been in trouble with the law. I don't understand.
I can tell you, you're not the person we're looking for.
Curtis Roberts, they live upstairs. They live upstairs.
Why don't you just...
All right, baby.
The guy got the fucking...
That's the couple upstairs. He's on house arrest and all this other kind of bullshit. No, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this.
You keep it. Like I told you, that's what it was for.
No, Curtis Roberts lives upstairs.
Okay, the information we got said he lived on the second floor. Okay?
Okay, baby, that's all right. Relax.
Yes, I can
search
tell
you
you,
guys.
he lives upstairs.
How do you know him?
I seen the mail.
Because you got the paper.
You know-
Here you go.
We got wrong information.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Fortunately, breaking the law and violating civil rights are only acceptable when your salary and court judgments are paid for by taxpayers.
Well, let me ask you this. Let me ask you this.
If he's wrong, what they going to do?
Let me
if he's
ask you
wrong?
this.
That's
What
government,
precisely
boy.
is it you're waiting for?
Okay. They want to turn it out. Turn this bitch
Because
up
he
and down.
says
On April 18, 2020, officers from 2 different law enforcement agencies visited the home of Big John's relative, searching for a black male named TT, who had never lived there. Only family members were inside, and the encounter escalated when one officer blocked the door with his leg. The incident, captured on video, includes strong language and heated arguments.
I ain't gotta talk to you. Get away from my house. I'll film it. Fuck you. I got something for
Not here.
you. I don't care what you gotta warn. I don't give a what this man. Record this shit. He ain't got no. Get away from my door. Back up. You don't got no right to be
He's
here.
not in the house. Let us come inside.
Yeah, we ain't got let no. Fuck you. We ain't gotta let you
Why
come
are
in
you
for
being
shit.
like that, man?
Because fuck you.
Because you guys
Man,
are
fuck all that.
harassing
All
us.
that, bro. You ain't getting no play here, bro. I promise you. You ain't getting no
chill,
fucking play.
chill.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Call the judge. Whoever you got to call. Bitch, get Grady here.
Okay.
Get your
Who's
supervisor here. Fuck
Who's the
that.
black male in here?
Huh?
You see
There is
Bring
no
the black male here,
person
bitch,
here.
and I'll put everything in my pocket on it. Let's bet on it. Let's bet on it.
Okay.
Let's
I
bet
know
on
there's
it.
a black male.
I bet there ain't. Let's bet on it. And you ain't coming in to check. I bet that.
Put him in the
This is your
bedroom.
house?
This is my house.
And don't tell him shit. Then we ain't got. This is his house. Come here. Fuck
Keep
that, bro.
coming.
Come on.
well, then
different
keep
hours,
coming because he's
times.
not
Oh
here.
well,
I'm
you ain't seen him
telling
come in.
Okay,
I
no,
guarantee
who's the
it.
black male here?
There ain't a
He's
black
not
male here. You're the only
here.
black
I'm
male here.
telling you.
You're right. You're the only one here.
I'm telling you, TT is.
Hey, you got me fucked
Stop coming to my fucking house and asking for TT.
He's not here.
Man, you.
Come
Who
at
are
me
you?
like this.
You're on our
Put
fucking
your hand
property. Who
down.
are you?
Don't come
You're a
and
fucking
do all
public
that.
servant. You're here to serve us.
No, you're not
Fuck
coming
you mean?
in.
We ain't
You
criminal
ain't going
shit.
in anywhere.
We ain't.
Okay, so who's the black male?
Ain't
inside?
you?
Okay,
You make yourself look dumb. Get that shit on camera. Make that bitch look
Keep
dumb.
recording.
You
I
got
know
me
there's
fucked
a
up.
black male.
Make him. There ain't a black male here. Fuck you.
I will
And you
put
ain't
my
coming
life
in.
on it. It's
Okay,
not
you can
here.
yell, you can scream,
give a
you
fuck.
can
You ain't
curse.
coming in.
That's fine.
You ain't coming in, pussy boy. Then I'll stand on 10 toes about that shit.
Okay.
Oh,
What I'm telling you is we're not leaving.
Yeah, you are.
because Somebody's here.
No.
You're leaving. Good night.
Okay. We're not leaving. That's
Yeah,
what
you
I'm
are.
telling you. So,
Well, we're gonna stand here
till
all
we
night, I
figure out
guess.
who this
That's
black
fine.
male is. And
There
the
is
house.
You.
no black male
You.
here, I'm telling you.
Okay. Okay. And this is your house, right?
This is our house.
Okay. And you know everybody in the house.
I absolutely have a lot of them are my kids.
Tell them to get their motherfucking supervisor here. You don't gotta keep answering these
Exactly.
public servants questions. We pay these pussy motherfuckers. They ain't getting no play here, I guarantee. You ain't getting no play here. Just I'ma stand on it. Fuck you. Y'all done came here 6 times. Ain't no black male here. Do your fucking research. Stop pulling bitches over trying to get fucking generate revenue. That's what y'all do. And I'll stand here all day. I got all day. Let's run it.
Well, let me ask you this. Let me ask you this.
If he's wrong, what they gonna do?
Let me
if he's
ask
wrong?
you this.
That's what I
What
wanna know,
precisely
pussy boy.
is it you're waiting for?
Fuck that. They want to turn up. I'll turn this bitch
Because
up
he
a notch.
says.
Hold on.
TT
There's
is here.
nothing
They
you
said
can be
they
waiting
seen
on
him
that's
come
going
in.
to change the outcome.
I'm not calling supervisor. I want all the sheriffs. I want the real sheriff.
Why
not
does
this
he
pussy
keep
ass
getting
rookie
let out?
cop, not this rookie cop. Get the fucking supervisor here. That got
right,
sense.
Alan. All right.
That has sense. We don't deal with
You're
no
more than
rookie,
welcome
man.
to call him. You got
Get
a
him
phone
here,
in your
please.
hand.
Get him.
Remember this statement, as it holds a lot of weight in the outcome of this video.
You're more than welcome to call him. You got
Get
a
him
phone
here,
in your
please.
hand.
Get him the fuck here. Get Grady himself here, please. I bet he knows more than both of y'all. You're gonna make yourself look dumb, is what you're about to do.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna file a complaint on your bitch ass too, because I know how to
This is
do
the
all
fourth
that.
You
time.
got a phone? in
Fourth
your hand?
time.
I do. And you're on record, so act retarded.
Okay.
Go ahead, act stupid. I want you to. I love it. Because you're going to be wrong in the end. I'm going to be right. I can stand up. That's all I can stand on. I'm going to be right in the end, homeboy. Can't do nothing about it. Dumbass. I know there's a black male here. Yeah, it's you. You're the only black male here. Motherfuckers are retarded. I don't get it. Knock on the door twice. Fuck that, bitch. That's harassment at this point. Fuck you. You don't got to deal with them. Shut the door again. I should have never opened it again. That's how you do that. You leave the bitch right out there knocking until their hand falls off. But yep, white male, uncooperative, ain't hearing none of that shit. Ain't a criminal. Don't give two fucks what y'all got going on. None of that, buddy. Get your supervisor, please. Somebody that has more sense than both of y'all. We're tired of dealing with stupidity.
Tim.
Especially some fucking Lake Hamilton cop. What the fuck? Where's Turner? Fuck, get super cop here. I'd rather deal with him. That's sad.
10, 12 times 4.
No, times 1. Supervisor. I don't even want to talk to y'all. Get the supervisor here. So when y'all look dumb, I want to know what's going to happen. When y'all do, if you do want to come in and you look dumb, what are you going to do about that?
Yeah, right?
What are you going to do about that
What
when
is
you
it
look
you're
dumb?
waiting on? What are you doing?
That's what I want to know, though.
Alan, hold on. I
We're not
can't
subjecting
even hear.
I'm not subjecting
What is it you
nothing.
think you're doing right now? What are you waiting on?
Okay. Listen to me. Okay. We have an officer in the back.
Good.
And what do you see? He did not see. I bet. Let's bet on it, please.
Police try to enter a home without a warrant using intimidation. The homeowner correctly asserts that warrantless entry is generally illegal unless exceptions like consent or emergency situations apply. Despite threats, the homeowner defends their rights, noting the sought person hasn't been there for over 6 months. This highlights the homeowner's knowledge of their rights under Colorado law. The video reveals that officers falsely claim a black male was seen inside the house, although they could only enter with a warrant for the person listed, not a third party's residence.
If you're wrong, what would you willing to put on it then? If you're wrong, I'll let you come in right
Go
now.
get
and
a
give it back.
warrant. Go get a fucking warrant for the black guy that's in here.
Hey, watch
Get
out.
the-
Hey,
hey,
that's a stop.
get
That's a
the-
stop.
hey,
No,
get-
that you get out of the way. You're stopping him from
Film
putting this on
that.
his
Why are
property.
you holding? I'm shutting my door. Do you have a warrant?
If you hit him, you're going to jail.
I'm not going to hit him.
He needs to get out of the
Do
way.
you have
Why
a
is he
warrant?
not getting off our property?
Do you have a warrant to enter my property?
I'm looking for somebody with a felony warrant.
Do you have a warrant to enter my property?
Supervisor here. Wait for the supervisor.
Do
Wait
you
for the
have a warrant to
supervisor.
enter my
No,
property?
where's the warrant?
What are you doing? Do you have a warrant to enter my property?
No, they don't, obviously.
If he's not here, you guys shouldn't have a problem with us.
It
coming
doesn't
inside
matter.
and
I
checking.
still have a right. Right? Do I have my fucking rights or don't I?
Of course.
So do you have a warrant?
But if he is not here, listen.
All right. The way warrants work, you knock on doors with warrants. You're holding my door open with no warrant.
We're not touching.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it. We'll see you guys in a little bit when you figure this out. All right?
Move out the way.
Oh, hey!
Hey, get it on film.
Officer Gilman stopped a homeowner from securing their property, resulting in the homeowner's arrest for assault and resisting arrest. A bystander filming the scene called for a supervisor and was also arrested for misusing the emergency hotline and resisting arrest. Although all charges were later dropped, neither officer faced repercussions. The attorney recommended against a civil lawsuit, but suggested seeking a second opinion. The advice includes not talking to the police, not opening doors for them, and always contacting an attorney. How do you feel after watching this case? If you found it interesting and engaging, go ahead and press 1.
I'm Officer Rowland. What's your name?
Roland. Puddentine.
What's your name?
Puddentine.
Listen, in the state of North Carolina, if you don't give me personal identifying information when I ask for it, you'll get
Dude,
locked up.
I know my rights. Lock me up for failure to ID would be a bad move on you, Big Daddy.
No.
Police officers in Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina, repeatedly violate citizens' rights despite their oath to protect them. Auditors, cop watchers, and reporters are frustrated with the officers' apparent disregard for rights, pointing to possible reasons like poor training or a power struggle.
Nothing but a guy out here with a camera. You make me relevant. You make me want to get out here and do it every day, which I can't because I'm disabled, and I get out here as much as I can. Thank you, guys. He's looking like, what the frig are they doing out here? What are they doing? Yeah, it's not out right now. Sorry.
How y'all doing?
All right.
All right. Something I can help y'all with?
Did we ask for any help?
Huh?
Did we ask for help?
No, sir. You sure did.
All right then.
All right.
That should tell you something.
Everybody got ID on it?
Absolutely got ID.
Absolutely need to see it.
Absolutely not happening.
Yes, sir.
I doubt it.
Yeah. So look.
You know better than that.
What's your purpose?
We got these shiny new cameras for Christmas. We figured we would come out here and use them.
Why here?
Why not?
Just asking why here.
It would be better than filming that house.
Yeah, that's a private residence over there.
Okay. So you feel like it's more appropriate to film an armory?
Today, absolutely. At this time, yeah.
At this time?
Yep.
Okay. Where y'all from?
It don't matter where we're from, man.
It don't?
Nope. I'm from Jupiter. Yep.
Well, that's a really cute answer. So I see.
I guarantee it. You see what? What are you seeing?
You're here wanting some attention.
No,
And that's okay.
no, we're not wanting attention. We want to be left alone and let us do our job.
No, that's not the case. And I think you and I both know that.
No, it is the case. If they hadn't just called you, we would have been here 10 more minutes probably, and we'd have been gone.
Okay. Well, they have a reason to be concerned.
Absolutely, I would be. I would be concerned if they wasn't concerned.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, here's the deal. You're parked on the city easement. So
Absolutely, I sure am, which is 100% legal.
Okay. Need to see ID.
You're not getting it. Oh, that's cute. Go ahead and get them, man. My shit's been run
You're
so many
welcome to
times.
sit here all you want to.
I
man.
know I am.
Yep.
You can get them, man. My shit's been run
You're
so many
welcome to
times.
sit here all you want to. And you somehow end
Are you
up in
satisfied?
Grand Rapids, North
Are
Carolina.
you satisfied? I go all over the state
Not surprised.
and the United States. I go everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere that I need to go.
You got like a YouTube channel or something?
If I do, it's all right though, right? You're gonna be a YouTube star now.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. So look for yourself on there in a couple of days.
I sure will. I look forward to seeing it. I
Yeah,
hope you get
acting
my
like
good
a
side.
jerk. Yeah, you're a jerk, and I'm gonna put you on there like a jerk. Absolutely.
What have I done that's been rude?
Why you ask for ID?
Because I like
Knowing good and well you're not getting one, right? If you know what we're doing, if you know what we're doing, you shouldn't even got out your car. So you the idiot today.
That's not how this works, brother.
That's absolutely how it works.
A police officer inspects a cameraman's car, but gets angry when the cameraman inspects the officer's vehicle, showing hypocrisy. Government property, like libraries and parks, may not always be openly accessible. Public easements allow access to certain lands for specific purposes.
Look at this idiot. He thinks he's gonna find something.
Hey, get away from my car.
Oh hell no! You on a public easement? We can film that car all day, every day.
I'm gonna tell you one more time to get away from my car.
I'm gonna tell you, we right here. We can be around this car.
We're
looking for people who have an ego like you have.
Exactly.
I don't have any ego, man. You
Absolutely, you do got an ego.
And you're talking about me having
Sir, can you come get your dog?
No, sir, he's not a dog. He's an
No,
officer.
really.
Yeah.
You know that.
Dude, I'm not.
He's acting like a tyrant right now.
Seen me amped
I'm
up.
sorry
This is
you
not
feel
what
that way.
tyranny
No, it
looks
ain't
like.
sorry. If you were sorry, you would quit him from doing it.
He's not doing anything wrong.
He's not. He's not intimidating. He's not pressing up on me.
Intimidated?
He's not impressing up on. No, I don't get intimidated by
No,
tyrants.
evidently he's not. You answered your own question.
He got more than two, not even a foot from me. That's trying to intimidate. That's what that's trying to do.
Evidently, you're having a hard time understanding what we're trying to get through to you. So maybe he's
Well,
trying.
how about you understand what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to be out here recording. That's what I'm trying to do.
You're out here looking for a reaction.
If I was looking for, you sure gave it to me, didn't you?
I have.
So that
Not
means
what
you're
you
an
want.
idiot. That means you're an idiot,
I haven't
not
given you
me.
what you want yet.
You giving it to me right now.
That's not how any of that works.
And this guy here don't even know the law. I'm on the easement. It's not your property.
Sir, you either on state property or you on city
It's an
property.
easement. It's what it is. I got.
Easement is city property.
I know which I'm like.
Okay,
I'm
then
entitled.
You've been asked to leave.
I'm entitled to be right here.
You've been asked to leave.
Okay,
Sir,
The
if you want to
property.
be a tyrant, if you want to be a tyrant, you can be a tyrant
to
too.
leave the property.
We're asking
Or what?
you to leave.
The next course of recall is to be charged with trespass.
How you gonna trespass me from public property? I'm talking to this man right here.
Now I'm telling you.
Hang on, calm down a little bit. Newton, is it Newton? Norton.
Leave.
I'm sorry. Hang
You're
on.
being told to leave now.
Let me. Can I talk? Can I talk?
It's that simple.
You about
Leave.
it's simple.
That's
Last
all you got to do.
opportunity. Get in your truck and go.
So y'all gonna arrest me for being on public property?
We're going to arrest
It's
you
not
for
on public
trespassing.
property.
What is- sir,
You're
what is this?
trespassing. You're on his
This is on
property.
public. This is.
That's state property. Belongs
It
to
goes
North
from
Carolina
15.
National Guard.
It goes from 15
No,
to the
sir, you better
center.
go check your ordinance.
I'm telling you, it does.
Not in
15
Road
from the
Rapids,
center
it does
line.
not.
Learn the law before you try to teach me.
I know the
about
law. I know it
Get in
better
your
than
truck
you,
and go.
you, and you.
One,
You got to do is leave.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
This is city property.
I know what it is.
You've been
It's
asked
an
by
easement.
both.
It's an easement.
You've been asked by both to
You
remove
can't
yourself from
trespass
this
me
property.
from
Yes, you
public
can.
property.
We're doing it right now.
It's public property.
No, it's state property and it's city property.
That means it's our property.
But when you're asked by an official from either the state
For
or the
doing nothing
city
wrong.
to leave.
But we didn't break no law though, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I was at the National Guard Armory when
We didn't break no law.
You got anything on you?
Hey, big guy, who's left. You got no say pills?
An individual, likely a civil rights activist or concerned citizen, faced a legal issue a year ago in Halifax County with the Roanoke Rapids Police Department over a refusal to identify themselves. After losing a bench trial, they recently appealed the case. They were sentenced to 12 months of supervised probation for recording on public property, which they believe is their right. They argue that the justice system is corrupt and unfair, especially toward those defending constitutional rights. They plan to share their story through videos to raise awareness and encourage others to stand up for their rights.
What's her name? Carl Wolf. Shannon McClure. We have a Shannon Wickline. We have a Jason Wickline up in the mailbox. Oh, I think they moved. Shannon Wickline. That's what the mail is here.
Police frequently enter with heavily armed teams and often seek legal protection for their errors or reckless behavior. Recent examples include a wrongful raid in Joliet, Illinois, and an incident in West Virginia where police were filmed inside a client's home with their guns drawn.
Police! Front door's open! You're behind me. Police! Clear. Moving. All right. Police, anybody here? Clear. Coming out. Everybody pretty getting moved. Clear place. Alright. Blue coming in, yeah. You need another body? Yeah, come down here real quick, please. Put his bathroom on the thing. Put it over here. That's not her. Okay. Police, anybody here?
Recent cases in Joliet, Illinois, and West Virginia illustrate serious problems caused by law enforcement entering the wrong homes. These mistakes can lead to lawsuits for wrongful entry and emotional distress, though officers might have qualified immunity. The incidents highlight ongoing issues with accountability and the need for better procedures in policing to prevent such errors.
Got a big room left and big room right. Alright.
Yep. Yeah, come down here real quick, please. Put his bathroom on the phone. Put it over here. I think that's what we're in. What's her name? Carl Wolf. Shannon McClure. We have a Shannon Wickline. We have a Jason Wickline up in the mailbox. Oh, I think they moved. Shannon Wickline. That's what the mail is here. Whose picture is that right there? That's not her, is it?
Can't really tell.
Hey, there's a camera right there.
You want to leave a business card in the door?
In Fourth Amendment law, searches and seizures in homes without a warrant are usually deemed unreasonable unless officers make reasonable efforts to ensure they are at the correct location. The Supreme Court in Garrison v. Illinois ruled that a warrantless search due to an officer's mistake can be acceptable if it shows a reasonable attempt to execute the warrant correctly. Officers must prevent errors, or they risk losing qualified immunity. Recent cases in West Virginia and Joliet, Illinois, suggest potential breaches of these standards, as officers may not have properly verified addresses before conducting searches. The outcome of each case will depend on whether the officer's actions were reasonable under the Garrison standard.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back right now.
You hurt me.
Stop resisting.
On July 31st, 2022, in West Virginia, a neighbor wrongly accused the client's wife of illegally parking on his property, leading the police to get involved based on the neighbor's convincing account.
See that stake? You're on the wrong side of it.
No?
Yes. He has the same Fourth Amendment rights that you do.
Right. I understand that. But I'm just trying to save a whole big spiel here. This guy here.
Okay.
We had a dispute a while back. He said the property line was over here. Well,
Okay.
I had it surveyed.
Okay.
The property line is where the fence is.
Okay.
So he moved his car out. Now he moved it back after so many months. He's trying to block this driveway, so I can't get up around. I got a road that goes up around there to my building.
Okay.
I asked him this morning to move it, or I was going to call you guys out here to have him move. Because there's a law states on the books that he can't do that. It's SC-.
No. Well, we can't make him move a car off private property. You can tow the car off of private property.
Well, you tell him. Well, because when I told him that, he told me he's going to go in the house and get a gun and shoot me.
Okay, we'll go talk to him about the gun thing. But as far as the property dispute goes, that's not a criminal law. That's
So I can
civil.
legally have it towed, right?
Yeah.
I mean, state with this law that states it, I can. I can pull it right here up on West Virginia Penal Codes. Right here it is. It's S17C-14. And it says they can be charged with $100 in the court systems, so that's a criminal offense. See what I'm saying?
I can't have a car towed off of private property.
I know I can have it towed,
Yeah,
but
yes,
you
you
can
can.
do the criminal part.
No.
Why can't you? I mean, it's right here in black and white. It says, it shall be unlawful for any driver or vehicle to stop, park, or leave standing unattended any vehicle on private property, roadway, or driveway, private property without having express or implied permission from the owner, tenant, leasee, such land. Any person that violates this provisions of this section of guilty misdemeanor.
Do you have your deed that shows this?
Yes, this is my 20-foot right away.
Do you have?
Yeah.
Do you have paperwork that shows that?
Yes,
Can
I got
you
it.
show it to me?
Yes.
Where does he live in the trailer?
Yeah, he lives up there in that trailer. No matter what, I want him arrested for threatening me with a gun, period. That is against the law. Right here is my property. Right here. This is my 20-foot right of way. I had it pinned all the way down through there, but they ripped them up. You know what I mean?
So where's this line at?
Right here. Survey of stakes right there. He's just doing it to be a dick. So I can't use this driveway because he always thought it was his, and I just told him I wasn't going to argue with you. I'm going to have it surveyed, do it the legal way. I've done everything on my end legally. You know what I mean?
The Preston County Sheriff's Department detained James Knotts on his porch without a warrant, which some argue violates the Fourth Amendment. This was related to a property dispute with Charles Shorter, who says Knotts' car is on his property. Body cam footage suggests the car might actually be outside Shorter's property line, highlighting the need for legal clarification. The use of force during the detention, which led to injuries, and the lack of a warrant for entering Knotts' porch raise concerns about violations of his constitutional rights.
Come down here.
I don't care.
Come down here.
I don't care.
Come down here.
No.
Come here.
No. Get off my property.
No. Come here.
No.
Come here.
That's my property. I'm not moving.
You need to come down here now or you're going to go to jail.
I don't give a fuck. Don't jail. You bitch better get a cup all you want to. I'm going to start fucking a cocksucker over here. He's dope head,
Listen.
all yours, dope head.
Listen.
It's my property.
No, it's
I don't
not.
give a fuck. It's
No,
my
it's
property.
not. No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Come on, I'll tell you.
No, it's not.
You put no cup on me.
It is not.
You put a cup on you. No.
Listen. You need to move your car.
No, I ain't moving my car.
Okay, you're
It's
under
my
arrest.
property.
You're under arrest.
No, it ain't. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back right now. You're hurting me.
Stop resisting. It didn't have to go like this. You understand?
Let me up.
No, you sit still.
You'll get up when I say you can get up. You understand?
Stop. Roll over. All right.
You're in service. Damn it, you hurt me.
No, 10:15.
Can I show you?
See that stake? That's it. You're on the wrong side of it.
No.
Yes.
I'm right at the
No, you're on the wrong side of it.
I'm right there.
No, you're not. You're on the wrong side of it. You're under arrest for obstructing. 6-6, come on, sir. He's going to.
That's uncalled for.
Well, he's going to jail for fighting us right now, so.
Yeah. Well, he's intoxicated. You can smell it on him.
The problem with the threatening thing is, it's one he said, she said, or he said,
Right.
There,
I got cameras all around, but they don't pick up sound. You know what I'm saying?
he's going to jail, but I can't charge him with threatening you with a gun because I don't have any evidence that it actually happened. I'm not saying he didn't.
Well, I'll talk to the magistrate about it because
you can get a personal safety order against him.
Yeah.
But I have to have evidence that the crime occurred. And you saying it, just the same as he could come over and say the same thing.
Right.
You
Well, I
know
don't
what
say nothing that's bullshit.
I know,
I'm telling the truth.
but he could easily say that about you. And if I could just go arrest him because you said it, I could go arrest you because he said it.
Right.
You understand?
I just don't want him coming back, being an ignorant, pulling a gun, and I have to shoot him. I don't want that on me.
I don't want you to have to do that either. But he has the same Fourth Amendment rights that you do.
Right. I understand that. But I'm just trying to save a whole big spiel here.
But
document it if you can.
Well, there's.
I'm gonna have it too.
All right.
I
We're gonna take
appreciate
it.
it, guys.
Yep.
James Knotts was initially arrested without a warrant for obstructing an officer, and later faced additional charges of battery on an officer and refusal to fingerprint. The Public Defender's Office got all charges dismissed after finding a Fourth Amendment violation, likely due to body cam footage showing excessive force. Despite the prosecutor's efforts to revive the case, the charges stayed dismissed because of the constitutional breach. The narrator is outraged by the officer's disregard for rights and suggests using First Amendment rights to protest to the Preston County Sheriff's Department about the misconduct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to US Bad Cops for more eye-opening content. Stay tuned and stay informed.